Hey guys, it's Ashley with Luli's, and I just wanted to give you the quick and dirty on how to create a QR code to anywhere using Canva. So I have my Canva opened up, and I just created a simple 8x10 design. It can be whatever you want. We can do a custom size that's pixelated or inches, depending on what you want to put it on. I just did an 8x10 because I'm going to print this for my booth. I'm going to just print a piece of paper that has my logo on it, my QR code for my website or my Venmo or whatever, and I'm going to slide it into one of those little acrylic stands and stick it on the table and be done. So that way I can change it up anytime. So I have my 8x10 design ready to go, and this is going to be my QR code sheet. All right, and then I'm going to come over here to my Facebook, because this one I'm going to link to my Facebook business page. So I'm going to go and click on it like I'm a viewer. I don't want to open up my Meta Business Suite or anything like I'm the owner of the page, because I don't want anybody, searching that. It's not like they're going to have access, but I want them directed to my Luli's Facebook page. So I'm going to come over here. I've got my page up, and I'm going to pop back over to Canva, and I'm going to go to Elements. And I'm going to just type in QR code and hit enter. And it's immediately going to pop in QR code by Canva. It's an app. So I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to come over here back to my Facebook page, which is where I want it to link to. You can have it linked to your website. You could have it linked anywhere. You just go copy and paste. That's Control C or on a PC, Command C on a Mac, or right click, copy. Come over here into the URL, and you can customize if you choose. I just leave it standard QR code because I'm going to jazz it up myself. And then click generate code. This is the QR code to my Facebook page. And if I had another camera on me, I would totally scan that with my phone. You can actually scan it in this video. I'm going to leave it sit perfectly still for a minute. You can scan it in this video, and it'll take you right to my Facebook business page. So now that I have my business QR code, I'm just going to go down here and just, you can put anything. I have my logo already in here, and I want to make sure that, there's nothing covering the QR code, whatsoever, because I want that to scan. So, I just throw that up here, then I can throw a little text on here. And, this is, let's just do it this way. All right, so find us on Facebook. So I now have that. I always want to use my brand fonts that I like. Okay, and I can leave it just like that. I can jazz it up with some more elements. As long as you keep this general area here that your QR code lives in, it will be fine. So now that I have it, I'm printing this on paper, so I'm just going to download. My background doesn't have a background, so it's not a big deal. I can leave it transparent or not. I'm going to up the pixels on it because I like big files. And then I'm going to download. And this is my PNG Facebook QR code sheet. I can just leave it as that. Put it back over here. And we're going to show this in Finder real quick and pop that up. So that is I'll just go and click print on my regular printer, slide that in an acrylic sheet, and I'm done. So I could laminate this if I wanted to. There's a lot of different things I could do. So it all just depends on how you do it. Now, if you want to put this on a t-shirt or something that doesn't have doesn't necessarily have a white background, you're putting it on something else. I have not put a QR code on a colored shirt, but I'm assuming it would work the same way. I'm going to replace this just to do that. And slide back over here, back to my Finder, and see it already just updated so it will keep the white background. Now that we see that, it'll keep the white background around your QR code so that way it can be read. And if you put this on a shirt or a piece of fabric or something like that, you will have the big ugly white square behind it, or have a big solid DTF print, something like that. But other than that, that's all it takes to make your QR code to your page in Canva.